I bought Designer Sharp Pro to test if it really can revive dull knife like the ads claim. And here's the honest truth. It's sold as a compact USB-powered electric knife sharpener that can restore any dull knife to a professional-grade edge. Ads promise that it works on multiple blade types like kitchen knives, pocket knives, scissors using only minimal effort. Here's what I've found. When I tried it on a regular kitchen knife, the motor felt very weak. It's more like a gentle buzz than a real sharpening motor. After several passes, the knife was barely sharper. Cutting tomatoes or veggies still felt sluggish. That suggests it lacks power for most kitchen-grade blades. On thin blades, scissors or small pocket knives, it did slightly improve performance. Edges became a bit sharper, cutting a bit easier. Overall, the results are underwhelming given what the marketing promises. It feels more like a low-power gadget than a proper sharpener. Exaggerated claims and red flags that I've found. The USB power is too weak for serious sharpening, so the professional-grade knife sharpener claim is misleading. The build feels flimsy and likely not durable for long-term kitchen use. For full-size knife, the sharpener fails, which contradicts the universal blade compatibility the ad suggests. Consumers expect a premium item and end up disappointed when the device under-delivers. If you need the proper knife sharpener for kitchen knives, avoid Designer Sharp Pro. It's weak, overhyped, and under-delivers. May be okay for small blades, scissors, or occasional light use, but for serious kitchen stuff, invest in a proper tested manual or electric sharpener. So if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe.